forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 200,000 subs. Welcome to my friends on the TV. It's them 10-8, Kaizer Chiefs 0, Colorados 1. I'm joined by Spars.
Let's keep on, bro.
I'm Nandi Putumta.
Welcome back, bro.
Thank you, my brother.
As I'm Chiefs, bro, I think we need to be happy with it. Last season we didn't participate on this cup,
yes.
So this season is Jalil.
Yeah.
Even though we didn't, as a Premier League, a second league, bro. And again, what I can say, good team. I'm signing Waraku. I'm happy now. Yeah, they've showed good performance Jalil Chiefs, bro. So, I'm doing this good team. I want to be calling up last season. We're still crying up for food. Ungobo, bro. I'm a skipper, bro.
Yeah,
Umabu, bro. I'm a skipper. Those who are against a lot of problem. Say, I think about love problem. If never went into one year, you can bring us in the problem. I see we need to speak, bro. Maranga punch, this is disappointed, bro.
Big time,
Newsroom, bro. Mangona into a Saturday. People in Bonacala, it's the first time in Bonacala. Into a Saturday. He was crying. Remember, he was crying. I'm telling you, no, yes, keep on, bro. Chiefs, bro. He paid his situation.
Yeah.
So, give me la strong.
Yeah,
give me la strong, bro. Chiefs, bro. Yes, good.
Yeah.
No, is he?
Yeah.
Was a little no retro really.
No.
Yeah, but hopefully next game is a pick up my socks, bro. Hopefully it's a pick up my socks. Sundowns around the corner.
Yeah.
Sundowns around the corner. So they need to pull up their socks. Saturday, bro. I know it's good Wednesday.
Yeah.
It's gonna be difficult because they're a former coach. So they need to switch on, bro, or else it's okay. Three games in a row. Shy Golden Rose, Shy School, Shy Sundowns.
Yeah.
It's gonna be painful.
So she's a matter natural.
Bro. So I hope I'm a player because Chiefs wala season. I'm a new signings. They showed their hands good no you want to play. So I hope I'm a player I Chiefs as well. But like so from two of the injury ni angazi coach amfaka egame so.
It's not ready.
Especially Mabas Liga. Vele injury lokunikeza yini
nothing
bengafana ukuthi umfake le pressure but unnecessary yafanele mbeke benchini amfake igame at least esikhukhulu not le ngothi lebe sifuna umuntu obani ustore umuntu uvela from injury yabona bro wami but it's fine hopefully on Wednesday we'll show something
ngiyakuthola Spars qedile Spars ngicela kuvalele yona uPhuto Mdala Phuto Mdala
ulizilo uyabona sidliwe ukudliwa ne but yabona i-team yethu esafana la kancane bobhuti kancane i-team yethu esafana la season right now sidliwe deflection unqobo angazi mhlambe uyafana noMaswanganye yabona iTempo Chiefs idinga umuntu ozokwazi ukuthi mayidlala lapha ku10 akwazi ukugijima nalamajita la agijima esayidini
abe fast
yabona umdu ngeza abantu bethu umdu ubuya kwenjalo umdu kumele uqale igame because uma ngekho umdu at least uChislet uyakwazi ukuthi afake ipressure into esidlisile today amajita after score igoal ayibavele bavele kwahla umoya then yabona ubathu bamntasengo insha le yabona le out yadlala le but at the moment awunikeza ox niyezo ox uyakwazi ukuthi avulele umabuwe my free uyakwazi ukuthi adlalise le out edlala u10 lapha
no iva
once kudlala u8 kudlala u10 i-team iyakwazi ukuthi idlale kahle so but mina ngikhali mfethu yes sidliwe but intwana zami this season iSundowns angeke isidle iSundowns angeke isidle
uyishaya iSundowns
siqala ngo-Cedric Wednesday Skukhune they will pay for this and we will remain on top of the table uyabona laba baloko laba
amabhakaniya
labantu laba cabanga bathole red card ngobani ngo 30 something uyowina extra time 120 even iligi labantu laba basebakorelwa so bafethu makhosi
uphuthi ngathi ufuna ukuphendula lapha
hayi akame last game so ayayibona
hayi makhosi ya sipha ya sharp